In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pages in Shopify using Shogun. First, open your preferred web browser. Once there, type Shopify into the search bar and hit enter. Browse to the Shopify website, and here you'll find an option to log in. Enter your credentials to access your Shopify dashboard. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the Apps section. Within this section, you should see Shogun listed, provided you've installed it previously. If not, head over to the Shopify App Store and search for Shogun. This is a landing page builder tool that integrates seamlessly with Shopify, providing a range of options to enhance your site's appearance and functionality. Install the app if it's not already in your collection. Once Shogun is ready to go, open the app. The Shogun dashboard presents you with several options, and we're going to focus on creating a new page. Locate and click on the Create Page button to begin this process. The next step requires you to choose the type of page you want to build. Shogun offers versatility here, with options ranging from standard pages to more dynamic product pages. Select the type that aligns with your current project or goals. After choosing the page type, you'll decide on the layout. You can either use an existing template or craft something unique with a custom layout. Templates can significantly speed up the design process, offering layouts for home pages, blog posts, and landing pages. These are especially useful if you're looking for a quick setup without sacrificing design quality. Tailoring the design further, input a name for your page in the provided field. Once done, click on Select to confirm. Now, you'll find yourself in the drag-and-drop editor. This is one of Shogun's strengths, allowing you to add and customize a variety of elements. Drag images, text, and product blocks into your chosen layout, arranging them as you see fit. It's an intuitive process designed to give you creative control without needing to write a single line of code. As you integrate these elements, consider how they look collectively, ensuring they communicate your brand's message effectively. From here, you can dig into styling adjustments. Shogun offers numerous options to customize styles, tweak colors, and refine layouts, ensuring everything is cohesive and true to your brand identity. When your design reflects the vision in your mind, it's crucial to save your work. These efforts will come to fruition by clicking the Publish button. Doing so will make your beautifully crafted page live on your website, ready for the world to see. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating engaging and visually stunning pages on Shopify using Shogun.